In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm expecting HLBZ to do, exactly what I'm expecting it to go. Let's get right into the sauce. Before we get into the sauce, actually, the first things first, disclaimer, nothing on the channel constitutes professional and or financial advice. Everything is my personal final opinion. So having said that, coming into the daily chart, yeah, today we're actually seems like 1.17% down, which is not that big of a deal. Yesterday, we were sitting right here when I made the upload. So I was like, okay, I'm expecting the highs to get cleared. They got cleared. So, okay, now I can see some pullbacks going on right here. So my prediction is going to be as follows. Before we get into that, me and you can both look at the bottom right corner right now live and see how this thing has performed in the past. 88% down in the past year is a pretty big number. Okay, that's a big number. But considering the fact about the bullish moves that we're having right now and the whole shifts on the weekly and whatnot, it's actually in a pretty great place to begin with. So my expectation is as follows. So either expecting bullish moves from here or a little bit bearish and then bullish. It can easily come into here and then still go higher, but this is the main thing that I'm expecting right now.